Hello guys, what is up? I hope all is well. In this video, I will be building you can say my first startup. Okay, I had planned for the other one. I mean, which I will tell you in the future. Okay, but I think this will be the first one, and I want to build it live. Okay, so this called the Link Spot. Okay, so I got the domain name. Okay, I already secured it. So basically, is building a link in bio SaaS from scratch. So I will build it live. I mean, it's not basically live as a video, but basically I'm recording everything. So I will show you how will I build it. I will use flute.com. Okay, and I thought like what, let me start with a slider so you will understand the whole picture. Okay, so if I click on next, so creators get one link in their bio, they need dozens. So basically, if you see, Instagram uses average bio link 3%, and Linktree violation is 1.3 billion. So what it is basically, when if you have an Instagram account, you are able to actually put just one link. Okay, so what we are doing basically uh, is a similar concept like Linktree, but is a bit unique. So if you just stay with me, I will explain. Okay, so if we go to the next slide, so we are building the link spot. Okay, so your one link every destination. So basically, you will get unlimited links, beautiful themes, click analytics. Okay, email capture, custom domains, lightning fast. Okay, and if I click on next, the tech stack will be Flute. We will be using flute.com. We will use Stripe to actually receive payments, and the hosting will be on AWS, which is actually built with Flute. Okay, and built-in database. Okay, so users, pages, and analytics, and auth and user magnet. So login, sign up, and roles basically. Okay, so we will go next. So the model, this is how it's gonna work. So with the free account, you will get one page, 5 links, basic themes, and the link spot branding. Okay, with the $5 a month, which is very very affordable and cheap, you will get unlimited links, all the themes plus custom themes, analytics, and no branding whatsoever. Okay, with business, £15, $15 per month, everything in the pro, custom domain, and five pages priority. Okay, so yeah, so this is how this model is gonna work out. Okay, I might change a little bit. Okay, but so far this is how it is. Okay, so if I click next, okay, so let's build together from zero to live product right now. So powered by Flute, no code required. So I will put the link in the description for flute.com. I think you should check this tool out. This is amazing. Okay, it's very affordable. The quality is great, and I think this tool is better than lovable, to be honest, because I am using it for a while now and is amazing. Okay, so if you are ready, let's dive in. Alright, guys, we are now here in flute.com. Again, if you don't know about this tool, the link is in the description, and also I will pin it in a comment. Okay, so definitely check it out and you can build amazing stuff. Okay, okay, guys, I'm here now in flute.com. I have added a link in the description, and also I pin the comment. Okay, the link, and please check it out. This tool is amazing. Okay, if you check from my link, okay, you will get basically some credits. Okay, like I think 100 credits or maybe more than that. Okay, so make sure you do check it out from my link if you want to have some credits. So it's free. Okay, if you want to upgrade, you can get more advantages, but you can even use it for free. You can build a website or two. Okay, so I strongly recommend you check it out. Okay, so I got my prompt ready, so is all here. So basically, this prompt is the same thing which I have, showed you on a slider. I have explained everything, okay, on a slider, and it's the same thing basically, okay. So what I can do now, I will click on build. And what I am going to do after the build, I will actually put my domain name, which is the linkspot.com, and you can use this for free. Okay, absolutely free. And let me know what else I can add to improve this product. Okay, I have a few more concept, more ideas coming in, and I'm telling you, you will be you will be amazed what I'm gonna build. So just make sure you like and subscribe. Okay, if you really want to find out, I will be building more stuff. Okay, with this tool and with other tools as well. Okay, so please check it out. So please subscribe. Okay, so I will come back once this one is finished. You can see this is building now the page, the login page, the register page. So definitely is going to ask me to put Stripe keys and all that, which I will add, of course, later. But I will show you how to add. Okay, I'm going to show you everything on this video, how to add Stripe keys, and you know if anything else like databases or but I think most of the stuff is built in with this tool. So that's why I am keep saying, please check this tool out. Okay, I am telling you, you will love this tool. So the link is in the description, and in I will pin the comment. Okay, so make sure you check it out. Okay guys, it is done building. So we got this message, this page does not exist, the username at one is not claimed yet. So I don't know what is happening, but I will click on claim this username. Okay, so the link spot. So what we can do, I always what I do, I prefer to publish it first and then check it basically on a fresh tab. Okay, so if you check it here, it's gonna always give you some errors and all that. So make sure you go here and then you click on of course you need to add your subdomain, because at the moment I'm gonna use flute.app subdomain basically to add this. Okay, at the moment I am not going to add any custom domain because we are still building, we need to test, we need to fix errors and all that. So I will call this the link the link spot. Okay, the link spot. So hopefully we have this domain available, and I will display fruit logo. Okay, yes, that's fine. So click on that. But if you actually have the pro plan, you can hide the logo. The flute branding. You can hide it basically. So yeah, so I will wait for a while. Then I will come back and see what is causing this issue. So, but as you can see, we have to-do list here: build analytics page, build a subscribers page, build settings page, build a pricing page with comparison table, build 404 page with claim this username CTA. So I think this is by default. Implement Stripe checkout integration for pro and business plans, of course, and then add email capture field to public links pages, and add link scheduling. Okay, and add social icons row to public link pages. So we will build all this, and we will see. I am very, very excited. Okay, so this is my first SaaS business, you can say, and let's see how it goes. I am building literally in front of you, and I will build more amazing things into this. Okay, I know Linktree is there, but I want to make it more better. I know competing with Linktree is not ideal, but I will add something to it, and I hope really, because I really like the domain, the link spot. Okay, I really like the domain. So let's see how it goes. All right, our app is published now on this custom domain. So when I click on that, okay, we are here. So we have all these three plans, and by looking at the hero page, we can improve that. Of course, we have not provided any images whatsoever, and we will change all this. Okay, so it's not a big deal. The most important thing is the login system. So if I go here, I will click on continue with Google, and I hope this will work. Okay, okay, that works fine. So I'm here now. Okay, so now I have these page options and the linkspot.com, your domain name. So I will call this kylanjari. Oh wow, look at this. This is amazing. Okay, the page title. So I will say my links. I am Kaylan. Welcome, welcome to my page. Okay, and let's choose sunset. Okay, let's choose this design, and I will click on create page. So we have our page link is here on the top. So if I click on that, wow, I like it. I mean, powered by the link spot. Amazing. And this is very, very basic. Okay, I can always improve that. And it's a sunset theme basically. So for example, if I can go back and I want to change it to, for example, blue. Okay, you can see here, you can even see the changes. So it's been published now. So if I refresh that, so we have now blue. I mean, the links for that flute. Okay, so I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change this. For now, I will keep it as it is. I will actually leave this one in the link in the description and all that. Okay, so you can always go and sign up if you want to. And yeah, so we will carry on building. So this one is say soon, soon, soon. So we will build those as well. I mean, so far, I'm telling you, if you build this with even Cloud Code or Codex or whatever, I mean, you have to go back and forth when fix a lot of issues. Okay, but here you can see I have prompted and then I waited and I get this out of nowhere. Okay, so this is just amazing. Still, I like to improve my homepage. I mean, for the main landing page, I really like to improve that. Okay, so now what I can do, I can go back to Flute and I will say, okay, okay, so I will say, okay, finish off the remaining to-do list. Okay, and also I like to add also make the landing page more better by adding, let's say, if this Flute can had can handle animations. Okay, by adding animations. Okay, and the landing page should be packed with more information, cards, animations, etc. Okay, so I into that and let's see how Flute will handle all this. Okay, but so far I am really, really impressed. I mean, I'm really happy with the result. So I will publish this, guys. I will publish this. Okay, I will fix this, publish this, and then you can sign up and use this. This gonna be there forever. I will never change it. I will treat it as a business. Okay, so yeah, let me know what do you think about this. Okay, and if you have any idea and suggestion, we can improve it together. And let me know anything. Let me know. I i will always answer. I will always if you want to speak with me or something, please let me know and I will arrange that. Okay, okay guys, after a long time it has done building. Okay, we still have to do a lot of stuff to add, but for now this is what it is. So what I'm gonna do, I will complete the build. Okay, so I'm going step by step. As you can see, this is the home page. Now we have some nice animations to it. Okay, very, very nice. Create account, add your link, share your page, and yeah, these are the creators basically, dummy text, and these are the plans and nice subtle animations. I really love it. Okay, so you can see there are some gradients here. Very, very nice. I love it. Okay, so what we can do, we can now Now, of course, we have to publish it, because testing it here, uh, is not going to work out well. So what you can do, just make sure you publish that one, and then once it's done, then we can go back to the main page, like main website, okay, and then we will test it out there. But of course, we have to build the remaining part, so we still have to do. It's a big app basically, okay. So build analytics page with date picker, okay, build subscribers page, build setting page, build pricing page, and 404 page, implement Stripe checkout. For this one is done. I have done that one. Add email, capture field, add links, scheduling, add social media icons. So I really have done all this, but it's still for some reason to do list. Okay, we can. I think we have to build one by one. Let me check this one. Okay, I think this one is almost done. Okay, let me do the first one and see how it goes. Maybe we have to build one by one. Okay, not everything in one go. So now it is working on it. Okay, and so once this is done, I want to check out what it has built. Okay, so okay, it says it's already actually created. So as expected, I knew that we already have done that. So thinking hard, investigation complete, good catch. Okay, so I think it's rebuilding it. Okay, and fixing the code. So I think it's better to build one by one, because I try to build everything in one go and then it will struggle. So it's better to build one by one. So now our app is ready. So what we can do, we can go back to the home page. Okay, join our newsletter. So now we have a newsletter here, and this is our the dashboard basically. Okay, so what we can do, we can go back here. The links, we don't have any links, so I am unable to add links for now. Settings, okay. Okay, I have to fix this error. Okay, I am unable to add links from the dashboard. Okay, so now it is gonna resolve the issue, and let's see. Okay, let me. Okay, I have to publish this basically. So let's see. We have analytics page here. So it might not work because we still have to publish. Basically, we have settings page. We are on a free plan, so I will upgrade it to pro plan with the Stripe keys. Okay, with the Stripe checkout cards basically. So let me see what we have here. Okay, now what we can do, we can go here and we can click on publish. Okay, so while this is publishing, we need to check out this one. So let me see. So okay, so it can only build one by one, not everything in one go. So we will send this one here, and let's see if it has built it already or it's gonna build it now. Okay, that page is done. Okay, now we have to click on this one, the setting page. I think these all pages are done, but the problem was is I have asked AI to build everything in one go, and that's why actually it is not really recognizing it. So now I'm sending page one by one. So it's now checking and it's saying basically it has already built all these pages. And you see hooks already exist. Okay, so anyway, I will go step by step and finish that part. Okay. Okay, our app is done. So what we can do now, we can go back and refresh the page. Now it is authenticating. So now if I click on add links, okay, it is working. I don't know what happened. Let me see. Add links. Okay, it's work fine. Let me delete these. Okay. So the name will be website. So my website is kylanjari.com. Okay. So now I think um, there is no save button. So I think this is already done basically. Maybe let me see. Yeah, so it's already done. Okay. If I click on that, okay, so this is my website basically. Okay, which I have built, and I also I am working on this video by the way. Okay, so it's gonna be out soon as well, or maybe it's already there on my channel. If you want to check, you can go to my channel, check the videos. I have built this with the anti-gravity Klein and the Minimax and plus the cloud code. So with the 4 tools, maybe I have used 5 tools because this video here and all these images I have created with AI with Nano Banana. Okay, so I have used basically five tools, and I have covered the part like how I built it from scratch. Okay, so you can go to my channel and check that out. Okay, so this is done. I wonder if I can change the colors because let me see. Okay, it takes a bit time, it's a bit clunky, but anyways, once our app is finished, then we will check what's the issue. So now it has been saved. So if I click on refresh, I like this one. This is much better. So settings, I don't know if you can add a image. There is no section for the image, so which I have to do basically because I can't see any button to add an image. Okay, so yeah, it's very simple, but I will make it perfect. Okay, and if we upgrade, maybe we will see like what else we can do. Okay. Okay, so this is done. So now what we can do, we will send this one here, continue that. So far, I am very happy with the result. I need to do some changes, of course. Okay, and yeah, so I will make sure the landing page, the home page is more better. Plus the functionality. Let's say when you once you upgrade, then you can add a custom domain and all that. So I will see how this all I am going to implement. Okay. All right, now this is also done. So now what we can do, we will click on the next one here and build this one as well. Okay. I like to make this better. I mean, I like it, but it should be more better. This landing page, I mean, this hero section is not very good. So I need to make it more better. Okay. Okay. Now we have to do next. So I will click on this one, send that one. Implement Stripe checkout integration for pro and business plans, which we already have done, but for some reason you have to go step by step for Float to understand the whole page and whole structure. Okay, the whole website basically. Okay, this part is also done. It has properly fixed all these Stripe gateway issues. Okay, now what we can do, add email capture field to public link pages. So we will add that one. So we can add more than one. Okay, so I mean that's the key. You have to build step by step. You cannot be building everything in one shot, otherwise it's not gonna build properly. Okay, so it's better to build step by step. Okay. Okay, that part is done. Now what we can do, add a link scheduler. So I will click on that one. I can't add more than that. Yes, so I will click on send. Okay, guys, now we have one to-do list left. Okay, so what we can do is this social icons row in public link pages. So we can click on plus, and then we will send this one, and then after that we will publish everything, and we will test it out. We will test out the upgraded plan, and we can test out. So of course, this is just scratching the surface. Okay, I mean it has built like a lot of stuff basically, but of course we need to test it out. So I can only test this with the help of you guys. If you are watching, I will put the link in the description, and what you can do, you can basically test this one out, okay, and tell me if you want to just tell me any bugs or any problems. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Yes, so everything is implemented. Okay, so all right, so what actually I like to do, if I go back to home page, I would say please change the home page. Sorry, not home page, hero section. Please change the hero section. Um, use an image from pixel uh, from pixel from pixel.com for the phone section, for the phone preview section. Okay, or mockup, and add more information. Okay, and you make it more data rich. So viewers can see the advantage and advantages of this web app. So I hope it will figure it out what I'm trying to say basically. But if not, then I think the best way is use ChatGPT. I can take a screenshot, give it to ChatGPT, explain to ChatGPT what I want, then I can get a prompt from ChatGPT this way, and then put it here. But let's see if it can resolve this hero section. I mean, if I can go down, everything looks perfect. Very nice animations. Okay, I really like it, and yeah, everything looks perfect to me. The only thing is the hero section is not that great. Okay, as you can see, this is just quite very basic, and the mockup for a mobile phone for some reason is going all the way to the edge. So I don't know why, but of course we have to fix that with a prompt. So just sit back. I will be back again. Okay, it's all done. Okay, I think this is much better hero page, hero section. Sorry, but still there is no image. But not a problem. I can fix that. That can be sorted later. Not a problem. Okay, so we are still building this, and I really like this one and this icon here. I mean these icons and start free. This is amazing. I really like it. So what I can do, I can now publish this one, and also I like to check my the I like to see how much it cost. Okay, so 20 20,000 credits it has cost for me to build it. As you can see, this is a big application, by the way. But you know what is always better to pay to a developer $10,000 to $20,000 to build all this. So now you can build this, with a pro plan. You can build this. Okay, so if you get a pro plan, this cost me 20,000 credit. With a pro plan, with the minimum pro plan with Flute, you will get 25,000 credits for $25 per month. Okay, and if you buy from my link, I will put the link in the description, and also I will pin in a comment. Okay, so you can click on that and get from there. You will get some bonus credits from there. Okay, so I mean, still, as you can see, what is building. This is valuable stuff. Okay, and it's gonna be very very fast. And it's gonna be, you can see here is amazing. I mean, what you are building here is amazing. Okay, so yeah, for just 25, not even $25 yet, you still have 5,000 credits left. But this is, I'm talking about big application. This is a big application. So for example, if you are building a small application, this will not be the case. And of course, every month your credits will renew. Okay, so you are keep renewing your credits. So on one project, you can, I'm telling you, you can just keep working on your one project for $25 per month and keep improving that project. Okay, just one project, one website, and keep improving every month. Okay, and this is amazing platform. Okay, so once this is done, I'm gonna test everything and then I will wrap it up. But this is not the end. I will come back because as you can see, I have to test it out. I need to improve. Okay, so the part two for this series will be coming soon. And let me click on this link here. All right, now this is our home page. We are already logged in. As you can see, it says dashboard, which is amazing. Okay, and if I go back to, let's say, features. Okay, go to dashboard here, and now our links are here. That's good. So I like to actually upgrade my plan. And let's say I don't want annually, I want monthly. And let's say I upgrade to pro. Okay, and I have to add my card details. Okay, so what I can do, I need to use a Stripe, these Stripe cards basically to test it out. Okay, so at the moment, this is in testing mode. I'm not taking any real payment, but I am using a sandbox, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so all right, so I have test cards in front of me, so I will use Visa. So it's gonna be this one here, 424242. The expiry date can be any future expiry date, so I will say 29. Okay, CVC can be any three digits. I will say 123 UK, and I will click on complete payment. I don't want to save anything. So you can see we are here in Pro plan. I mean, can you believe this, guys? $25 and you get this kind of functionality with Stripe built in and everything. It's just amazing. Amazing, okay? So now we are in a pro plan. Okay, so if I actually refresh my page, okay, so what we can do, we can go to appearance settings, so we can even add SEO title and SEO description. We can go to analytics mode. We can see how many devices or total views, and also the subscribers, how many subscribers we have. Because when you go to your home page, you can subscribe basically. Okay, and for example, if I test this one out with this email, or let's say Kalen123 at gmail.com. So if we save that and click on subscribe, we are already subscribed. Now if I go back to subscribers, so we have a subscriber here. Can you believe this, guys? So we go to settings page, and this is our setting page. So we can even delete our account. But the problem here is says here, let me refresh. Let me refresh what's going on. Okay, so I think I was on the wrong page. Yeah, I was on the wrong page. So yeah, this is the correct page now. So I am on a pro plan. Okay. So if I click on add link again, I can add another link. Okay, I can delete that. That's all fine. And change password. So if I go back to home page, if I go to pricing, what we have here. So basically with free, you need to actually, it's gonna be the link spot branding. So if I go here, Okay, the link spot branding is still there. So which I should be able to remove that. Basically, I can go back to dashboard, settings, upgrade to business. Okay. Okay, so custom domain is only for the business. Okay. And how can I can even manage subscription if I go back here. So upgrade to pro, upgrade to plan, upgrade to, okay, most popular. Okay, so I will come back to this one. Cancel. If somebody wants to cancel, we should be able to cancel. And I am looking for a branding page. I want to remove the branding of LinkSpot. So if I go to settings, oh yeah, here, show powered by LinkSpot. So if I uncheck that one, is gone. Okay, if I go back to the home page, amazing, amazing, amazing. All right, so this is what we have achieved today. So what else we have? If we can go back here, we can see we also have unlimited links. It's only 5 links with free. Everything is free. Everything in free plus unlimited links, all premium themes, custom colors, okay, advanced analytics, remove branding, priority support. Okay, so that's what it is. I will actually, I'm telling you guys, I will be building this on top. I will make it more better, and I am really, really loving with flute.com. So if you are not using flute, I don't know what are you doing, guys. I put the link in the description. If you get it from there, you will get bonus credits. Okay, I will also pin in a comment box. Okay, so that's it. I will be making this better. Okay, so these gradients, I'm gonna remove them. I mean, what I'm saying is this picture here, this gradient here, but I really like the gradients in the corners and all that. And I will make the hero page more better. And also I will be improving this appearance. I will be making like more themes, more custom themes, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so yeah, I will add this link as well. If you want to test it out, please do, and let me know what else I can add. Okay, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget, check my video for this portfolio. Okay, that is amazing. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next one.